Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your career coaching on Dorible, easy and quick for a career coaching business. So first type Dorible on the search. As we know, Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create your new business. Enter your business name and now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language. Now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section, the header of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change your site name, here if you want to turn this on and upload the file. Here if you want to change the label or add a new label, and if you want to add external link, here if you want to manage your social link settings, you can add the channel and select the type of the social link and add the link here. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add section, just select any section you want here like this. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner of the website. You can change this, just regenerate and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the subtext, just click on it and it will be changed. So if you want to add a label or change the label, and here if you want to add external link, so let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the image of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to regenerate it, and here if you want to edit the image position from here. Now let's save this and let's move on. If you want to edit your text section from here, you can regenerate the text, and here you can change or edit your type of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on to the list of the website, the list section. You can edit it from here. So if you want to change this, and if you want to change your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. So that's it. If you want to change the list item, manage your list item settings, and here you can add list item. You can generate image like this. If you want to generate the title or the contents, you can also add a label here. So that's it. You can add link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section of the website. You can add testimonials and generate a code. You can generate by who, and here you can upload image from browser or whatever. So let's save this. So here if you want to edit your gallery section, you can change this or add a new name here. If you want to generate image, you can upload from browser, for example, uh, career coaching. Let's pick some images from browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this like this and put it here, and it will be uploaded. So if you want to choose some image from here, so for example, I'm gonna choose this. Let's save it and let's move on to the next section. So now the location of the website, if you want to change this, and also if you want to change your business address, here you can add additional text files, can add the title or add the content. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. You can edit the contact form section just to regenerate the text, or if you want to manage files here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels. Also here you can generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the last section, the footer of the website. If you want to change your business name, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, and here also if you want to add additional details, if you want to turn this on and add a label or external link, so I'm gonna turn this off. If you want to manage your social link settings, and also here if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link. Here you can add the link. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to regenerate any content of any section, if you don't like the content, also if you want to regenerate the style of the section, if you want to generate another entire section, if you don't like entire section, just select entire section and it will be changed. So if you want to duplicate the section from here, also if you want to delete it, just click on this icon of delete. If you want to move it down or move it up like this, so that's it. So let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. And here you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.